honey, when I asked you to set the table, I didn't expect you to put so many placemats. Are you just trying to cover the white spots that you mentioned that they were an easy fix and you haven't done them yet? When do you think you're going to be able to do them?
Now, I guess.
Wow, it's disappearing. When you said it was that easy, I never thought it was that easy.
Thanks for watching me repair this table. Use this technique to help fix your kitchen cabinets, fireplace mantles, a bar, any dark wood. The heat gun used today is basically a hairdryer on steroids. Buy it anywhere. Walmart, Home Depot, heck, there are even battery-powered ones. As a realtor, experience has taught me many tricks to repair, maintain, and upgrade homes. Allow me to share these tricks. My garage is full of tools clients can borrow, completely free. I'm here for you. Till next time.